Assalamu alaikum viewers. Vacation Pack Class 4 of Dar-e-Arqam 2025. This is English part. Be a good reader. Divide the book in two parts. Read the first half of any novel of your choice. Some suggested novels are there. Wind in the Willows, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Gulliver's Travel. We are reading the novel Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The title of the book is, you write here, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Its author is Rohit Dhar. What is the setting of the novel? What is in the novel? A small run-down house on the edge of a city, where Charlie Bucket lives with his poor but loving family. We read the half of the novel. Now we come to the question. Write three common noun and proper noun from the book. Common noun means common person, place or thing, and proper noun means proper or specific person, place or thing. A boy, chocolate is a common noun. August, Charlie are the proper noun. We have some adjective in this novel: delicious, poor, mysterious. Name of the character. The name of the character is Charlie Bucket. What does he or she look like? Charlie Bucket is described as small, thin boy with a pale face. How I feel about this character and why. Charlie stays humble, polite and honest even though he comes from a poor family. Charlie is well-mannered, which makes me feel happy when he is rewarded in the end. Write two traits of the character that make him or her your favorite. Kindness. Charlie is always polite and caring towards his family. Honest. He stays truthful and humble. Viewers, come to the first lesson of your reading book, The Spirit of Ramadan. This is the first chapter of your workbook. There are some questions. You will write the answers from your workbook. There are the words. You will write here meanings and make them sentences. Okay, come to the next chapter, A Night in June. It is also included in your syllabus, and this is the second chapter of your workbook. You will write the answers from your workbook on your summer pack. Find out the difficult meanings from the poem, and you will write the meaning and use them in your sentences. This is the comprehension all about elephants. All about elephants. Elephants are the largest and mammals in the world. There are three types of elephants: African savanna elephant, African forest animals, Asian elephants. Okay, this is African forest elephant. This is African savanna elephant, and this is Asian elephant. Where does they live? African elephants can be found in desert, grassland and rainforest. Asian elephants live on grassland and in the forests of India and Asia. Some elephants' habitats are being destroyed because forests are being cut down and the land is used for building or farming. This loss of habitat is one of the reasons why elephants are in danger of becoming extinct. How do they talk. Elephants communicate through body language, touch, and smell. They make trumpet sound with their trunk to warn others, and when they are excited, they can make rumbling sound that vibrate through the ground and can be felt by others elephant. Okay, we read the paragraph about the elephant. Now there are some multiple choice and some answer the question. We will write here. What kind of food do elephant eats? Insect, plants, meat and fish. Elephant eats plant. Why do farmers keep bees near their crops? To get honey, to scare away birds, to stop elephants from eating the crops, to water the plant. To stop elephants from eating the crops. Because we learn in this paragraph, elephants are the plant eater. If you see flat teeth in an animal's mouth, what kind of food do you think it eats? जो एनिमल जिनके फ्लैट टीथ होते हैं वो क्या खाते हैं? ओनली मीट, इंसेक्ट्स, ओनली प्लांट्स एंड मीट एंड प्लांट. दे ईट्स ओनली प्लांट. What do you think extinct means? Fly away, no longer found on the earth, run away, not eating enough. Extinct means no longer found on the earth. What is the reason elephants are in danger of becoming extinct? They don't eat enough, they need a lot of water to live, they sleep too much, people are cutting down forests where they live. Option D is tick because लोग जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा फॉरेस्ट कटिंग कर रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से उनकी लाइफ को खतरा है. Read out the comprehension and answer the following questions. How long can elephants live in the wild? Elephants can live up to 70 years in the wild. Approximately age उनकी ना 70 years होती है. How do elephants communicate with each other? Elephants communicate with each other body language, touch and smell. Imagine you are a forest ranger. What might you do to help protect the animal's habitat? If I were a forest ranger, I would stop people from cutting trees and hunting elephants. I would plant more trees for clean water and food. What is the main difference between the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores? Omnivores are those animals they eat both plants and meat, like bear and human, crow. Carnivores, animals that eat only meat, like tiger, lion. Herbivores are animals that eat plant, fruit and grass, like cows, rabbits, goats. Replace the noun in bold in each sentence with the pronoun. Joe keeps bees near his fields. Elephants don't like bees. Elephants are scared of them. One day, a baby elephant got separated from its mother. A swarm of bees flew by and stung its trunk. The baby elephant cried out loudly, calling for help. Soon the rest of the herd came running to protect it. But the bees didn't stop. The bees buzzed and stung them too. बेटा इसमें आप बता रहे हैं कि किस तरह जो एलिफेंट होते हैं ना वो हनी बी से बहुत ज़्यादा खौफज़दा होते हैं. और एक दफ़ा एक एलिफेंट का बेबी था, उसे ना बहुत ज़्यादा बीज जो थी ना उसकी ट्रंक पे चिपक गई. तो उसने चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया और हेल्प के लिए चिल्लाया जब, तो दूसरे एलिफेंट भी उसकी हेल्प के लिए आ गए. लेकिन जो बीज थी ना उन्होंने उसे भी दूसरे एलिफेंट्स को भी काटना शुरू कर दिया. From the comprehension passage. Common nouns are elephant, baby, mother, bees. Proper noun: Joe, the baby elephant, trunk, the herd. The super veggies. Beta, this is also an comprehension, and there are some options you will take. What did Max call broccoli before he liked it? Green mouse. What did the talking carrot tell Max about the vegetables? They help you grow strong, smart and fast. Why did the Max solve the math problem easily after eating the carrot? Because the carrot gave him brain power. How did Max feel after eating the broccoli? Sleepy, brave, hungry, sad. Brave. Do you think vegetables are important for growing strong and smart? Why or why not? Yes, because they give us energy and make our bodies stronger. These are the questions. You will write the answers from the paragraph. How do you think eating vegetables help you? Eating vegetables help me stay strong, healthy and full of energy. Draw and give fun names of two of your most favorite vegetables. Carrot. Caption: crunchy. Broccoli. Brain. Green. Brainy green. What does the word brain food means to in the story? Brain food means food that help your brain grow and work better. How can habit like healthy eating help you achieve your mission of excellence? Healthy eating gives me energy, help me stay focused and keep my body stay. Circle the preposition in the given paragraph. The tomato grow in warm weather. They can be red, yellow or even green. Tomato are healthy and full of. Look these yellow or even green. Full of vitamins. People use them in salad, sauce and soup. You can also put them in sandwiches. Tomato grow best in sunny place, so gardeners plant them in the spring. You need to water them every day to help them grow strong. Okay beta, fill in the blanks with correct preposition. Max push the vegetables on his plate. Max found himself in the garden. The carrot smiled at Max. Max felt a burst of energy after eating the carrot. Max climbed up the mountain after eating broccoli. Max raced in the garden after eating spinach. Max woke up in the next morning. Conjunction and make the sentences. You find out the conjunction from this paragraph and use them in your sentences. Or, do you want to tea or coffee? So I am tired, so I am not going. Suppose you become a school principal for a day. सपोज करेंगे आपको स्कूल में एक दिन के लिए आप प्रिंसिपल बन गए. राइट अ पैराग्राफ यूजिंग द गिवन क्वेश्चंस from and below. What is the role of a principal in the school and how she or he helps in taking care of the school? A principal role is to manage the teachers, students and the staff. She helps by solving problems, organizing events and making important decisions for the school. What do you change in the school, like rules, classrooms or activities, if you become a principal for a day? I would add more fun activities like art, music and sports. I would also make one day every month a no homework day to give students relaxation. How would you make the school better, like the classroom, staff room or playground? I would add more colorful decoration in the classrooms to make learning fun. I would make sure the staff room is comfortable. I would also add swing slides in the playground. How would your changes help you achieve your missions of commitment and excellence as a school principal? These changes would help me achieve my mission of commitment and excellence by creating a happy, safe, and inspiring environment for both students and the teacher. Okay, now write a paragraph about suppose you become a school principal for a day by using the points you have written in graphic organizers given on the previous page. बेटा ये आपने प्रीवियस पेज को फॉलो करते हुए यहाँ पे आपने पैराग्राफ फॉर्म में इसे लिख देना. Okay, come to essay writing. This is also creative writing. You have found a stray cat while playing. Write an essay on how will you take care of it based on the points given below. Add a few points on your own. Give it food and water. Protect it from traffic and other animals. Search for its owner or caregivers. Look for any possible injuries. Share found cat notice with my friends and family. Talk with neighbors, local vet or animal shelter. I found a lost cat. Last Sunday afternoon while I was playing in the park, I found a small stray cat hiding under a bench. It looked scared and hungry. I gently picked it up and brought it home. Then I made a warm and safe place for the cat to rest. I also checked it for any injuries and made sure it was feeling better until we found the owner. I will continue to take good care of the cat. Taking care of the lost pet, it is a big responsibility, but it makes me happy to help animal in need. Beta, correct your mistake. We use it in the place of if. Form of verbs. Identify and write the form of verbs in the given in each sentence. Also write the other form of same verb in the table. Sarah grabs a cup of coffee every day on her way to the office. She chews his food loudly. Underline this. The boss yelled at the office boy. Yells. Underline. Ahmed's family is buying a new house. Buying. The sports week will begin on the 30th of this month. Grab. First form, second form grabbed, third form grabbed. Louded. Yelled. Buy, bought. Began. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb. Sleep, hear, play, keep, kick, clean, smell and smile. She always keep a snack in her bag. I play a creaking sound last night. He kicked the ball for the winning goal. The postman heard the letter under the door. Find the following. Simple present tense, present continuous tense. I told you about the formation. Simple present tense shows the daily routine. Or firstly we will use first form of verb, then first subject, then first form of verb and then object. She goes to school. This is also solved in your workbook. And this is present continuous tense. We will use firstly subject, helping verb is RM, and first form of verb with ing and then object. There are some sentences you make them present continuous tense and simple present tense. I hope you will change these sentences into simple present and present continuous tense. Okay, come to the next. These are the past tense. Firstly we did simple present tense. Now we do simple past tense. past continuous tense. Firstly, we will use subject, then second form of verb, and then object. In past continuous, we will use subject, the use of was and were, and then first form of verb with ing, and then object. Okay beta, there are some more sentences. You will change these simple past tense and past continuous tense. Describe the story in the picture by using both simple past and past continuous tense. And there are some pictures. You will write sentences of this girl's daily routine in simple past and past continuous tense. Okay beta, this part of your summer pack, the English part, is completed. We will do the next part tomorrow inshallah.